Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my 750 subscriber giveaway. Just wanted to tell everybody thank you so very much. Oh boy, you don't know how much this means to me to reach a goal of 750. So what I'm doing for that, I am going to be giving away, this is an 8-ounce kit from KS Resin, and it is resin, part A and part B, and if anybody's familiar with Stone Coat countertops, it's basically the same. I've used them both. It is Liquid Art Ultra V, and here are the instructions. So this is the package I got it in, and I will be passing that along to the winner. Now, what you get in this kit, it's not a huge kit of resin, but it is 8 ounces, so you will get some items out of it. Let's go over what you'll be getting besides the resin. You get the resin, 8 ounces. Back here, you're going to get, of course, the instructions. I'm going to give you a couple tiles. If you want to work on tiles, I've already taped them on the back. So you'll get tiles, and I'll even give you the corks once they're all done. And you pull off the tape, and you've got them resin. They're sticky backs. You put them on the backs. So you'll get a couple posters that are already ready. Just clean them with alcohol. You're going to get this measuring cup, and they have different measurements on here. I also am including a couple sets of gloves, different kinds of sticks, the real big ones, the mediums, and the little babies. Some measuring, and these are also measuring cups, like medicine cups, but they have measurements. I can't hold on to them. They have measurements as well. I think there's 8 of those, and probably 8 of the mini sticks. And then I'm giving you some mica powder. This is, let's see, this is coming out of this bottle, and it is Pearl X by Jacquard, Jacquard, powdered pigments, micro pearl is what this little white one is. And this one is, just says original gold mica powder, cosmetic grade mica powder. So there's that one. You're not going to need a lot. Whenever you mix your micas in, after you have them already mixed up, make sure you follow the directions on the paper. But it's after you have them mixed up that you actually add any of. I'm also including some gold glitter. You don't have to use them all at once. You don't have to use any of them if you don't want to. So, but make sure your resin is thoroughly measured correctly, and that you sure that it's measured correctly and that you stir it properly, scraping the sides and the bottoms of this container. And then you can actually mix into pour a little bit in each cup, and then just take your little stick, dip it into one, and then put it in your little cup, little at a time, because you want to see, you can't take it away, you can only add to it. So it's better to do a little at a time. So you have your coasters, you have your measuring cups here and here, some different size sticks, the resin, you have some pearl and some gold mica, some glitter, some gloves. I'm even including a fine grit sandpaper in case you need to, sand anything down. And a fiddle pad to help with the resin when you're making something. And I think that's it. So, anybody from the United States that is a subscriber is eligible. Make sure that in the comments below you comment saying, please enter me in the 750 subscriber giveaway. And this actually is going to go through until the last day of the month of October, Halloween. And then on the 4th of the month, I will do the drawing of, take all the names that it entered, and I will do the drawing for this kit, this resin kit. And I will get your address, whoever wins, and we will mail that out to you within a couple days. So, you're gonna have a small resin kit with a lot of different things that you can do. You don't even have to do the coasters if you don't want. You can pour it on a painting. Just make sure that your painting is clean, that you do research before you go any further with resin. Make sure you learn a little bit about it, if you haven't already. So, that's our giveaway. I'm sorry it's not a bigger amount of resin, but that's all I can do right now. However, my next giveaway for milestones will be 1,000. 750, I was doing it every 100, and then when I got to 250, so now I'm at 750. So I'm going to 1,000. The next one's going to be when I'm at 1,000, because I'm at 750 now. However, I still do the monthly appreciation subscriber giveaway, which is a little different than the milestone giveaway. So, right around the same time that I do the drawing, within a couple days of that, I will be putting up the video for November's monthly giveaway. So stay tuned for more. Make sure you write down in the comments, please enter me in the 750 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you're a subscriber, that you like the video, and please share. I do appreciate when you do that, so we can reach to the next milestone of 1,000. And I don't know what I'll be giving away at that time. It might be better than this. I'm not sure. I hope so. I'm getting anxious to hit that 1,000 mark. And I want to thank you all so very much. From the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me. Thank you. So, without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.